In our luxury farm, we start by approaching the donkeys gently, ensuring a calm and peaceful environment.
A low-pressure milking machine is used, ensuring the process is gentle and comfortable for the donkey.
After the milking is complete, the milk is safely stored in stainless steel containers, ensuring its purity.
Each drop of donkey milk is carefully collected and poured into large, sterilized stainless steel containers, ensuring freshness and quality.
At our state-of-the-art facility, the collected donkey milk is immediately pumped into large-scale cooling tanks.
The milk is carefully directed into high-tech glass pipelines, where it will undergo filtration to remove any impurities. The milk passes through advanced microfilters that remove any impurities, ensuring its purity and quality.
Once filtered, the milk is collected into sterile containers for the next stage of quality testing.
The milk is moved to the lab, where it's tested for fat content, protein levels, and bacteria count, using the most advanced technology.
The first test measures the milk's fat content, ensuring it meets the highest standards for quality.
The next test measures the casein protein level, a crucial factor in determining the milk's quality and suitability for cheese production.
All testing devices are calibrated regularly to ensure precise measurements for fat, protein, and bacteria levels. The digital screens provide an overview of all test results, confirming the quality and purity of the milk.
Once approved, the A-grade milk is ready for the next stage of processing, where it will be transformed into premium cheese.
The carefully filtered donkey milk is now entering the pasteurizer, where it will be gently heated at a precise temperature to protect its delicate proteins.
The milk is carefully heated to 63 degrees Celsius, a low-temperature pasteurization process that lasts for 30 minutes.
To ensure even heating, the milk is gently stirred, helping to maintain the consistency of the temperature throughout the tank.
The technician closely monitors the temperature, ensuring that the milk stays at 63 degrees Celsius for the required time to preserve its quality.
For 30 minutes, the milk remains at a steady 63 degrees Celsius. This careful process ensures that the rapid cooling process begins, quickly bringing the temperature down to 37 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the milk retains its freshness and quality. The milk's temperature quickly drops to 37 degrees Celsius, ensuring that all nutrients are preserved while maintaining its ideal consistency.
The milk is now cooled to 30 degrees Celsius. Process has been completed successfully, and the milk is ready for further processing.
The milk is carefully held at a steady 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, ensuring the delicate coagulation process. The coagulation process is slow and delicate. Over several hours, the milk gradually begins to form a soft.
The milk rests for 6 to 10 hours, slowly transforming into a soft, gel-like curd, with no rush.
The result is a soft, gel-like curd, far less firm than cow cheese curd, but perfect.
The texture of the curd is soft and gelatinous, just right for further processing into fine cheese.
The soft curd is now ready for the next step in the cheese-making process, where it will be transformed into high-quality cheese products.
With the coagulation process complete, the soft curd is now ready to be processed further into premium cheese products.
The curd is now ready to be cut. Robotic arms equipped with soft wire knives are prepared to slice the curd without disturbing its delicate structure.
The curd is cut gently with soft wire knives, minimizing movement to preserve its delicate structure and prevent any breakage. The robotic arms make slight adjustments to ensure every cut is perfect, keeping the curd pieces uniform and delicate. With minimal movement, the curd's delicate structure is preserved, ensuring the cheese will have the perfect texture in the next phase. As the curd is gently cut, the whey starts to slowly separate, surrounding the curd pieces as they maintain their delicate consistency. With the cutting process complete, the curd remains soft and delicate, ready to be processed further into fine cheese products.
The curd is carefully placed into fine mesh molds, ensuring that the whey can drain slowly and naturally, preserving its delicate texture.
The curd rests gently in the fine mesh molds, allowing the whey to drain naturally under the force of gravity, ensuring a soft and creamy texture.
The curd rests gently in the fine mesh molds, allowing the whey to The whey slowly separates from the curd, leaving behind soft, creamy cheese with a delicate texture.
The molds are now filled with soft curd, and most of the whey has drained away, leaving behind a creamy, smooth texture.
The soft curd is now ready to move to the next step in the cheese-making process, where it will be carefully processed into premium cheese.
The curd has successfully drained, leaving behind a smooth, creamy texture, perfect for the next phase of cheese making.
The cheese is now ready for light salting, which will enhance both its flavor and shelf life.
The salt settles gently on the surface, giving the cheese a touch of flavor while also enhancing its preservation.
Alternatively, the cheese can be given a light brine bath for a few minutes, allowing it to absorb just enough salt to enhance flavor and shelf life.
After the brine bath, the cheese is gently drained, with just the right amount of salt now absorbed.
With the salt properly absorbed, the cheese is now ready for the aging process, where it will continue to develop its flavor and texture. The cheese, now lightly salted, is ready to be aged, with enhanced flavor and shelf life thanks to the careful salting process.
The fresh cheese is now placed in a short aging room where it will rest for 7 to 14 days.
The aging room is carefully controlled, with humidity levels at 85 to 90%, and the temperature.
During the short aging period, the cheese rests quietly on wooden shelves, absorbing the controlled environment to enhance its flavor and texture. As the cheese rests, subtle changes begin to occur. The texture firms slightly, and the flavor begins to mature.
As the cheese rests, its flavor begins to develop, with each passing day adding complexity and richness to its profile.
After 7 to 14 days, the cheese is checked. It has firmed slightly and developed a deeper flavor, making it ready for the next step.
After a short aging period, the cheese is perfectly matured, with a smooth, firm texture and a rich,
preserved in a vacuum-sealed package to ensure the freshness and exceptional quality of this rare cheese. Encased in luxury, this rare cheese is meticulously packaged for the most discerning palates.
Presented in a luxurious glass container, this cheese is a masterpiece of rare craftsmanship.
Every detail speaks of exclusivity, from the packaging to the craftsmanship inside.
Housed in the finest glass container,
This ultra-rare cheese demands the highest respect.
Every element of this packaging speaks of sophistication and rarity.
Exclusivity comes at a price, and each gram of this rare cheese commands a premium.
An exclusive delicacy, offered only in grams, at a price that reflects its unmatched rarity.
Every detail of this rare delicacy is treated with the utmost care, transported with precision, ensuring the rare cheese remains in perfect condition until its moment of presentation. Crafted with care, the premium box ensures the rare cheese is stored with the utmost elegance. The box is carefully placed among the finest, ensuring its rarity is preserved in an environment of luxury. Only the finest storage solutions are worthy of housing such an exceptional delicacy. Stored with perfection, the rare cheese is now in its final resting place, ready to be cherished.